Microsoft Excel Power Map Part 5. We're doing two things slightly different in these instructions. We're using text data instead of numerical data this time, and we're using Microsoft Excel 2016 instead of Microsoft Excel for Office 365. But let's click somewhere within our data. We'll still go to the Insert tab, and we're still in the Tools group, but instead of Power Map, we're going to choose 3D Map. And let's click Open 3D Maps. If you haven't used it before, it might ask you to install. As you can see, this looks about the same, but we don't choose geography, then click Next. Everything is on one screen. So we have state added, and in category, we're going to add our party. And let's go up here to under data labels, and we'll change to regional like we did before. And this data isn't correct, but basically if you wanted to see red states and blue states for Democrat, Republican, you could this way. But note that Excel automatically chose the colors for me. And even though it got the Democratic color correct, it didn't get the Republican color correct. So let's see if we can change this from orange to red. At the bottom of our menu here, we'll click Layer Options to open the drop down. And note the color here. And we have blue already listed for Democrat. Let's click the drop down and choose our Republican data. And right now it's listed as orange. Let's click the drop down and we'll change it to red. More to come on Power Maps.